Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mindaros channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to pay Lazada PayLater bill in advance. A quick info about Lazada PayLater is a service that lets customers make purchases immediately but pay for them at a later date with or without interest. 0% option available ito within 45 days. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Lazada application. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa kanyang Lazada homepage, dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang select yung account. Dito sa ating accounts ay kailangan mo lang select tong Lazada wallet. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung Lazada PayLater. I-click mo lang tong view. And then dito ang next naman ay kailangan mo lang i-select yung all bill statement dito sa ating Lazada credit. So click lang natin tong all bill statement. And then next dito sa all bill statement kailangan mo lang i-select tong unbilled. And then bago tayo mag-proceed ay kailangan muna natin i-check or recap natin yung babayaran nating mga items, pricing niya. So click mo lang ito, upcoming, and then ito na siya. So ito yung babayaran natin. Alright, so mayroon tayong 497.60 cents yung babayaran natin in advance. Alright, so proceed na tayo. So kailangan mo lang i-select tong pay in advance. So click mo lang yan. And then next dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung continue. So click mo lang ito. And then, kailangan mo lang i-confirm. So, confirm payment, select mo yung confirm. Alright, so dito sa select payment method ay mayroon ditong Lazada wallet or Maya account and then yung GCash natin. Alright, so since nakalik na yung GCash natin dito sa ating Lazada account, so naka-automatic click na iyan. And then next dito lang sa baba ay makita mo dito yung total amount na babayaran natin. So, wala pong interest yan. And then, i-click mo lang tong Pay Now. Alright mga kaibigan, so makikita mo dito na payment success. So napakabilis lang talaga magbayad dahil nakalik na itong GCash natin. So automatic na siya mga kaibigan. Okay, so dito naman sa payment amount, kung gusto mong i-view yung ating bill statement, so click mo lang tong view order. And then dito sa order details, makikita mo dito na paid. Ayan. And then dito naman sa baba ay yung binayaran natin. So 0% interest siya. Alright? So ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.